Virgo, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well and welcome back to 1111 Pinoy Tarot. Tingnan natin ang romantic connection between you and your person. Let us see what is happening. Pwede nyo pong panoorin ang inyong Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. Okay, thank you Virgo. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell. Let's see how your love life unfolds and what you can expect in your relationship. Ano yung mga strong energies and messages for Virgo, please? From the Message of Love Oracle, Virgo. Merong third party. There were other things that got in the way of us being together. Okay? So, divided ang attention ng inyong person. Is this you or your person, Virgo? Okay? Merong distraction sa inyong routine. Yeah. Distraction in your life together. Okay? It may be a work, a person, family members. Okay? Business, self-love. I am still trying to heal. Yung iba sa inyo, nagre-recover, no? Recovering from past pains or experiences, okay? Yeah, someone is healing. It's you or the other person, Virgo. Daydreaming. I am always longing for you. Yeah, someone is missing you, Virgo. They wish to see you. They wish to come to you, okay? They wish to communicate with you. You are always in someone's head, okay? Or is this you, Virgo? You are missing someone? Gossip. I am afraid of what other people will think. Okay. So, gossip. Let's see from the Lover Oracle. Messages and energies for Virgo. I was hurt by you. If I could go back in time, I would handle us differently. I wish I could be fully honest with you. You were right. Okay. Someone was hurt. Merong separation, physically or emotionally from your person. The person who is in your mind. Okay. Let's see ano yung messages from the tarot for Virgo, please. Love and romance for Virgo. Okay. Oops. Yeah, so you are conflicted or your person is conflicted about you, Virgo, in the relationship. He or she wants to work things out with you. Kung meron man kayong mga issues or may mga problema or differences sa inyong relasyon, sa inyong pagsasama. He or she wants to work things out with you, pero parang hindi niya alam kung paano gagawin or sa anong paraan. Okay? Yeah, you feel that your person is hiding something or hindi siya nag-share kung anong nangyayari sa kanya or mga whereabouts niya. Okay? Let's see. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Bottom of the deck, the Knight of Pentacles. Planning, thinking of being together, kung paano kayo magsama. Yes, long-term plans about your future, stability and security. Yeah. Families, there is a lot of love between you two. Pero hindi ka lang din ganon ka-expressive or someone who is a water sign. He or she is always there to support you. Ano man mangyari. Okay, Virgo? Yeah. You need to balance also your mind and your feelings, your emotion. In dealing with situations sa relationship ninyong dalawa, sa inyong sitwasyon. Okay. Everything will be okay. Just have the faith. Be strong. Okay. Yeah. Right now, there are a lot of things sa isip ninyo, mga plano, exciting things na gusto ninyong gawin. Okay, mga pangarap. Maybe you are dealing with person who is far away from you, magkalayo kayo, long distance. Okay, so merong wall. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, so tingnan natin. Ano pa yung mga, ano ibig sabihin ng Two of Swords? Oops, ang dami. Please clarify. Let's clarify the Two of Swords for Virgo, please. Virgo. Two of Swords. Yeah. Your person is thinking kung paano kayo magsama, okay? He or she wants to be with you. There is a kid, a house. Your person right now is nag-iisip ng mga paraan, okay, or ways kung paano kayo magsama. He or she wishes to be with you and your family, okay, na magbibigay sa kanya ng emotional satisfaction or fulfillment, okay, together with you. Yeah. So, maraming gumugulo sa utak ng person ninyo. Okay? Kailangan niya ng peace of mind. Yeah. Yeah. Chariot, yes. Your person really wants to see you or to move forward. Gusto niya ng movement. Merong nangyayari na magaganda or positive changes sa inyong sitwasyon, sa sitwasyon niya. Okay? Merong travel. Baka magta-travel ang person ninyo to see you, to be with you. Okay? And this one with your family. Yeah. So, meron siyang kakayahan. Pero, pinag-iisipan niya kung paano. Parang merong, kailangan niya mag-take ng decision. Okay? Virgo. Yeah. Yeah. He or she is always on his or her mind. Lagi siyang nag-iisip. Parang wala siyang sakto na desisyon kung ano talaga yung gagawin niya. But for sure, gusto niya maging masaya. Karoon siya ng magandang idea or solusyon para magkita or magsama kayo. Yeah. Kailangan ng person mo ng kaliwanagan. Okay? Yeah, kailangan niya rin ng support or enlightenment sa kanyang mga decision making. Madami ang bumabagabag sa isip ng person ninyo, Virgo. Parang gusto niyang umalis, okay? Kung saan siya ngayon. Gusto niyang pumunta sa inyo, gusto kayong makasama, okay? Ten of Cups, the Chariot, travel, movement. Okay? He or she wants happiness, joy, and blissfulness, enlightenment. Yun yung kailangan ngayon ng inyong person, okay? And you, on the other hand, Virgo, you are also like conflicted ka rin sa sarili mo. May mga pangarap ka na gustong gawin, achievements, okay? It may be sa work or sa araw-araw mong ginagawa. Conflicted ka sa gusto mo, parang, yeah, 7, oh yeah. So basically, you don't want conflict. You are defending yourself. Ayaw mo ng gulo. Okay? You feel that your person ayaw mo din ng aggressiveness from your person. Okay? You are protecting yourself. You are defending yourself. You don't want to be bothered. Okay? Yes. You have your own issues as well, Virgo. And that is why parang pinoprotektahan mo din yung sarili mo. From negative vibes, conflict. Okay, umiiwas ka sa conflict. Okay? Yeah. Okay. The challenge is parang hindi mo din alam kung anong nangyayari sa person mo. Okay? Alam mo na yung person mo din, at the same time, parang conflicted din siya. Parang wala din siyang choice or options at the moment, okay, sa kanyang situation. You don't know also what is happening with your person, okay? Yeah. Okay. Kung may mga paraan na ginagawa or ways ginagawa ang inyong person, you feel na yung person mo, kailangan niya maging confident sa sarili niya. Okay? And magtiwala sa kanyang kakayahan. Merong fear, insecurities, okay? parang hindi ganon ka-stable yung situation emotionally ng inyong person, and this is the challenge. Okay, ito yung parang problema sa situation, because you yourself parang wala ka ring concrete na information or alam kung anong nangyayari sa person mo, and your person needs confidence kung ano man ang kanyang ginagawa or kung ano man yung mga plans niya. Okay? Yeah. Your person also needs to be careful sa kanyang mga actions, sa kanyang mga plans, sa kanyang mga ginagawa. Okay? Maybe for some of you, there are delays also. And kailangan mag-change. May mga delays na nangyayari sa person ninyo. And kailangan ng change of plans. Okay? Change of direction. Because, Virgo, you are also affected. Kung ano yung nangyayari sa person ninyo, kung ano yung mga whereabouts niya, or kung ano yung mga ginagawa niya, indirectly, you are also affected, Virgo. So, kailangan nyo ng honest communication and openness sa isa't isa, kung anong nangyayari sa inyo. Both of you, okay? You need to be open, Virgo, sa feelings or sa nararamdaman ng inyong person. Kailangan niya ng support ninyo, Virgo. Right now, your person is not that emotionally fulfilled sa nangyayari sa kanya. Okay? He wants movement. He wants to go out, to travel, wants to see you. He or she wants happiness, okay, and togetherness. Okay? Let's see. Six of Pentacles, yeah. You will come to a decision, okay, Virgo, both of you. Yeah. Kailangan ng person mo ng attention, and you at the same time, kailangan nyo ng pagkakaintindihan, okay? You need to support each other, Virgo. Yeah. Magkakaroon ng fairness sa inyong situation, sa inyong dalawa. Yeah. Six of Pentacles. If there will be changes na mangyayari when it comes to your finances, there is fairness. Money. Okay. Kung may mga pagbabago, positive changes, then everything will be okay sa inyong dalawa. Okay, there will be happiness, a dream come true, your wish comes true, Virgo. Not only you, but for both of you. Yeah. Okay. May positive, may magandang mangyayari, okay? Changes when it comes to your money or resources for both of you. Okay? Magkakaroon ng improvement. Okay? Okay. What is this? Yeah, Page of Wands. It's time na mag-plans for the future. Exciting plans. Looking forward for sa mga masasayang happy days. Happy days will come for both of you, Virgo. Yeah, there will be improvement when it comes to finances, money, wealth. Okay, there will be understanding, rekindling of love. The situation will improve. Yeah. Okay. So, new exciting endeavor for both of you. It's going to make you very happy. Not only you, but also for your person. Okay? A phone calls or letter, maybe, yeah, you will be receiving a news through phone, a message, email, or text. Okay? You will be very happy. Let's see. Nice. So, tingnan natin paano pa yung ibang messages for Virgo. Ooh, so many. Wow. Balik. For Virgo, please. Any more message for Virgo? Any more message for Virgo, please? Life is a series of constantly shifting cycles. When we resist change, we resist the natural flow of life and create unnecessary stress. Go with the flow. You will be surprised where it leads. Okay. For Virgo, please. Playfulness. Laughter is the best therapy. Have some fun together and remember, love is the greatest healer. Love. Yeah. Right now, your person, it seems, parang wala siyang magawa sa kanyang situation. Okay? Yeah. At times, kailangan yung lumabas to free his or her mind. Maybe at night, okay? For some of you, just take what resonates, Virgo, okay? One more for Virgo, please. Virgo. If you could do anything, what would it be? The answer dwells in your heart, not in your mind. For the heart is the gateway to the soul. Okay. So, ito yung mga messages for you, Virgo. Maraming salamat sa inyo. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye!